As part of my job doing the floor plans, no, what do you call these? Match reports, you have to hide out of the shot of the camera. So you have to put the camera somewhere, get it to, oh, it didn't take a scan, get it to take a scan, and then you have to hide, there you can hear it's taking the scan, and you have to do that multiple times over and over. And each time, move the camera, different part of the room, it scans the area, it pops up, then it gets ready for the next scan, and then you have to do it. So what I find is sometimes quite annoying is if landlords, for some reason, decide to just put odd chandeliers, which are probably not the right size for the room or the property. And you know, I'm not a particularly tall person, but if I'm having to go in and out of the room, so again, move the camera, need to get out the shot, hide out the shot here. It can get quite irritating. So yeah, top tip, landlords. If you really like chandeliers, put them in rooms which are a wee bit higher, or have them so that they're able to be placed a little bit higher, just so they're not quite at head height for everyone, because it can get a little bit irritating after a while. Scan's moving well.